Hi friends, welcome to our channel. In this video, we will discuss about the adding items in dictionary. Okay, if you want to add any new items, okay, like a color or any hobbies or habits, whatever maybe, you can add. Okay, in these two ways. Okay, one way is first initially I declared one dictionary. After dictionary, by using variable after the variable here I used square braces. Okay, under square braces you can add key value is equal, you can add value like this. Okay, let's have a look. Here I take, okay, here already I took one dictionary that is profile, that is name as job. Here I mentioned. Okay, if I want change any if I want add any new key value pair, okay, I will add like this. Okay, here use profile dot no. Okay, don't use dot. After profile you can use square braces. Under square braces you add key value. Suppose here I am adding color. Okay, color, here I am giving blue. Okay, here I am giving blue. Let's update it. Okay, let's update it. Next, print profile. Okay, print profile. Let's have a look to output. See, okay, didn't added. Okay, didn't added. Why, what's happened? Yes, here I used square colon, that's why I that didn't added. And now see, it will add like this. Okay, here previous I used colon instead of equal to I used colon, that's why previous we didn't update it. Now you can see properly. Okay, here see color key value be added clearly. Okay, if you want any new items you can add, you add like this. Okay, I hope you understand. And as well as we have one more way, that is by using update method. Okay, by using update method also we can update. Okay, let's have a see look. Here I'm giving variable name dot update. Okay, under update you can give like this. Okay, color colon value. Okay, value. Okay, you see dated. Yes, like this. If you want to update or if you want to add any new key value pair to the dictionary, you can add in these two ways. Okay, one is by using square braces and second one by using update method. Okay, I hope you understand, friends. If you understand, please like and subscribe my channel and share to your friends. Thank you so much.